slaves at the dig. Find anything worthwhile. We got a couple of artifacts. Might have
Man filth! You're bold, I'll give you that, and so much more. Clear off, you useless! I won't be tricked by that! I'll spread you like a twig!
Gluk.
If it comes back, then maybe I'll give it to us.